Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 1 functions and limit. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.3 question number 1 part 1 to 4. 1 to 6, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Let's start. Question 1. Evaluate each limit by using theorems of limits. Part number 1. Limit x approaches to 3 into 2x plus 4. First of all, limit x approaches to 3 into 2x plus 4. Next, limit x approaches to 2, x approaches to 3 by using some theorems of limit. 2x plus limit x approaches to 3 into 4 is equal to 2. Limit x approaches to 3, it means x replaced by 3 plus 4. Limit x approaches to 3. 4 has a constant as it is. 3 2 times 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, which is the required solution. Next, part 2. Limit x approaches to 1 into 3x square minus 2x plus 4. First, as it is, limit x approaches to 1 into 3x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to, by using theorem of limits, limit x approaches to 1 into 3x square minus limit x approaches to 1 into 2x plus limit x approaches to 1 into 4 is equal to 3 into 1 square minus 2 into 1. Limit x approaches to 1 plus 4 constant. Next, 3 into 1, 1 square is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 3. Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to plus 2 is equal to 5, which is the required solution. Next, part 3. F of x is equal to under root of x square plus x plus 4. Solution first. F of x is equal to, limit x approaches to limit x approaches to 3. So limit x approaches to 3, x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 3 whole square plus limit x approaches to 3, 3 plus 4, 3 whole square is equal to 9 plus 3 plus 4 7 is equal to under root 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Under root of 16 is equal to 4, which is the required solution. Next, part number 4. limit x approaches to 2, x into under root of x square minus 4 solution. Limit x approaches to 2, x under root of x square minus 4 is equal to 2, x approaches to, so x replaced by 2 under root of 2 square minus 4 is equal to 2 into 2 square 4 minus 4 is equal to 2 under root of 0, which is equal to 0. Next part number 5. Limit x approaches to 2 under root of x cube plus 1 minus under root of x square plus 5. Solution. Limit x approaches to 2, x cube plus 1 minus x square plus 5 is equal to under root of 2 cube plus 1 minus under root of 2 square plus 5 is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8 plus 1 minus 2 square is equal to 4 plus 5, 8 plus 1 9 minus 4 plus 5 9 is equal to 0. Next, part number 6. Limit x approaches to minus 2, x cube plus 5x divided by 3x minus 2. Solution. Limit x approaches to minus 2, x cube plus 5x divided by 3x minus 2. Apply limit x approaches to 2, so 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 5 into minus 2 divided by 3 into minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 whole cube is equal to minus 8 plus minus minus 5 2 times 10 divided by 3 2 times 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 8 times 16 minus 10 divided by minus 8 minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 8 minus 16 minus 10 is equal to minus 26 divided by minus 8 minus minus cancel to 4 times 8 to 13 times 26 is equal to 13 divided by 4, which is the required solution. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube. Allah Hafiz.